Hi, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll tell you how to port your existing number to Calilio. Calilio's number porting feature lets you seamlessly transfer your existing business or personal number from another provider. This means no need to change numbers. Your contacts, calls, and conversations stay uninterrupted. To port your number and set it up, please head on to the live chat box where the support team will guide you through the process. You will be required to provide the following documents. 1. A copy of your most recent phone bill, that is, from the last 30 days. Number 2. Current provider account number information. The process usually takes a few business days. You receive updates via email, and once the porting is complete, your number will appear in your Calilio dashboard under Numbers. And that's it. If you need any help at any point, our 24/7 support team is always available through the live chat box to guide you. Thanks for watching.